it's a girl again, Miss B, welcoming you to another episode of A Little Sound with Miss B. I am still on the letters of English alphabet and the sounds they are producing. And so far, I have actually talked about the letter A, B to letter J. Okay? So today we'll be continuing from there. I'll be talking about the letters K, L, and M. And please, if you haven't seen any of these videos or today is the first time you are coming across this channel, try as much as you can to subscribe before you leave. And please turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And that reminds me, if you haven't actually seen any of the videos, especially the ones with the letters of English alphabet, please check the description box. You will see the link that will automatically direct you to any letter you want to watch. Okay? Okay, so like I told you that today we'll be talking about the letters K, L, and M. I am starting with the letter K. Letter K is the 11th letter of the English alphabet and it is pronounced as K. The letter K makes the K sound in words. It is a consonant and this letter can be at the beginning of a word, be in the middle, and of course end a word. So let's talk about the ones at the beginning. We have word examples like kettle, kitchen, kingdom, so don't say kingdom. Kingdom, kerosene, that is not kerosene, kerosene. And then we have kangaroo, karate. When I was growing up, I pronounced this word as karat. So until I noticed that the letter E at the end of this word is not silent, so you don't say karat, you rather say karate. The last one I have there is keyboard. Okay, now move on to letter K in the middle of the word. I have blanket, darkness, meekness, talkative, market. And then we have the K at the end of a word. Examples are ink, shark, look, work, walk. Have you seen the difference? And then I have a think, peak, mask, bake. Now you see the E at the end there. Okay, that E is silent. That's why I choose the words that have the E at the end where it is silent, unlike the first one I pronounced as karate. Okay, we have other words, examples like lake, take, make, break, and so on. Okay, quickly let's talk about the letter L as the next letter of the English alphabet. Okay, the letter L has only one sound, just like the letter K, and that sound is L. And by the way, it is pronounced as L, and it is the 12th alphabet in English. It is a consonant sound, and it can appear twice without any intervening vowel or other letters. This letter can be seen at the beginning of a word, be in the middle, and of course, it can end a word. Okay, examples at the beginning, I'll have words like luxury. I love this word so much, luxury. It doesn't say luxury, it's luxury. I have a ladder, I have light, logic, London. And then let's talk about the L in the middle of a word. Examples are molested, reliable, challenge, Thailand, diabolic, transferability, blank, and so on. Let's talk about the L at the end of a word. Examples are carnival, sexual, alcohol, wonderful, punctual. And then we have LL at the end of a word like call, ball, mall, fall, and so on. All right, quickly let's talk about the last letter for today, which is the letter M. This is pronounced as M. like I already pronounced it earlier. And this is the 13th letter of the English alphabet, and it is a consonant letter. This has its major sound as which is just one sound, just like other ones we have already talked about today. This sound can begin a word, be in the middle, and of course, be at the end of a word. Examples are mother, man, money, monkey, medicine, magician, mechanic, master. And then we have it in the middle of a word. Examples are nominate, abnormal, comprehending, elements, overstatements, terminal, stimulate, voluminous, remind, and so on. And the last one is the M at the end of a word. Examples are William, team, tribalism, cream, slim, program, worrisome. The E here is silent. That's why I say worrisome. I have other ones like womb. The B is silent. We have tomb. B is also silent. Okay, so other ones that have the letters at the end that we don't pronounce, we say that the M still ends the word. Okay, so this is where I will be saying, please, I am rounding it off for today. I will be continuing the next letter on the next video. Don't forget to watch other videos if you haven't seen them all. If you have any questions so far, please go ahead and ask me. I really enjoy your comments. Okay, so drop your comments down here. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, I beg you to do that already and turn on the notification bell because I need it and you need it. Okay, thank you for joining me again today. And remember that you have to do all the good you can, by all means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, and as long as ever you can. Okay, that's what I'm leaving you today with. That's from John Wesley.
And happy Mother's Sunday to all the women out there. You are simply the best.
All right, thank you. I am to your one and only Miss B. See you again and stay away from trouble. Bye.